Oh, yeah!
Hello guys, welcome to another video today.
Yep, and so I am with my, I'm with my cousin Leo again.
As we're actually at my house today, and we're in Columbus right now.
Okay, let's just ignore that. And what is the video called? Creepy things Leo has heard.
So I've heard some creepy things in my videos, and people have been commenting where it have came from. It have came from everywhere.
Okay, so
We're going on a spy mission.
So where are we gonna start?
We're gonna start in the neighborhood.
The neighbor. All right, guys. So we jumped over that black fence. So we are going to the neighborhood, and Leo, take it over.
The neighborhood's beautiful. It's just sometimes it can be a little weird as the weather. As of right now, it's supposed to rain at 5 o'clock. So we have about like 3 hours before we actually go anywhere in the rain. So it's also a little bit windy here in Columbus.
Yeah, as you can tell on the camera.
Yeah.
That's that weird thing with
We're also
cameras.
on the sidewalk right now. So we're gonna go around our house, and we're gonna check some cars too, because it could be a little creepy.
It's very windy, guys.
Yeah, it is
as
very
you can
windy.
tell. And yeah, we're about to get a severe storm, so we're gonna be inside this house.
Yeah, this is my house.
So what are we gonna do right now?
So we're
really?
gonna spy around the neighborhood. We're gonna hide sometimes. I heard that this monster loves eating meat. Yes, you heard it, monster.
Yep, of course.
So
we're starting to me and Leo are starting to make, anytime I'm with him, I'm going to record at least a video or two, and they're going to be like creepy videos.
yeah, they're always gonna be creepy videos, but
Horror.
we got a video a couple days ago surviving 100 days on a chair. If you remember that.
A chair?
Remember?
No.
So we were looking around, and I saw something weird over there. I saw some kind of face over there, but if you don't notice, I'm the one that just pushed this thing.
So guys, I think what we are going to do is we just need to get going, because
Yeah.
I have limited time. I have limited time recording, so yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
So we'll probably have a couple parts, but
Probably.
so let's start this. So
And
are we just gonna hide and spy for now?
Yeah.
Okay. So
But for now, we
could hide like over there. We still have a clear view, like right here.
Right there, in front of the car.
I feel like we're safer right here. You know.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go over here, and we're just gonna hang out for a bit. Take
This
space.
is my dog's grave. Right here.
Oh.
This is Louie. I used to have 2 dogs, Louie and Rocky. But if you didn't know,
Yeah,
I grew up in a small house with Louie and Rocky. So let me get that berry. Are they healthy?
I don't know.
So we were just here spotting a lot of things, and I feel like something touched me over there.
Okay, guys. So let's just hang out, and we're just gonna talk for a bit.
Time lapse.
Go.
So we've been here an hour or so.
Yeah, about so. I think. Yeah. Okay.
If you want us to dig down there, if you want 10,000 subscribers, we could dig down there and see my actual dog and try to get him back alive.
Yeah, he is right here.
At 15 years old, so
15 years old, guys. Let's count in math.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, wait, no. 7, 14, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84.
How old is my dog?
91. Oh my gosh. Wait.
How much years have you gone? 13.
Just shut
up.
Alright, guys, I just counted the math. And, yeah, his
And
dog
what
was
else?
105 years old. Dude, Leah. Hold up. I swear I just saw someone crawling on that tree right there.
Oh, and also, comment down below rest for peace for my dog.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So, yeah, we've been here for now 2 hours at this point. So, I think we're going to go somewhere else.
And whoever
But this is already getting scary.
subscribes in the next 20 seconds, we could give you $100.
Yep.
So subscribe right now.
Guys, we're on the road to 500 subscribers right now.
Thank you for all of that.
Thank you for the 8. I appreciate it. But keep smashing the button. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Just stick. No. It's just dirt.
So we've been walking here for a little bit. If you don't know, this video is sponsored by Verizon. Verizon gives you ultimate money every day.
Anyways, guys.
Another one, 90, but I don't want to talk about that. But no, we're gonna talk about that.
I don't care about the sponsors.
Shut up, Alex.
Oh gosh. He punched me.
Comment down, shut up to Alex.
No.
Yeah,
Please. No. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm not gonna talk unless we're doing for real. All right, so we go back in our corner now.
Come on. Anyways, ow.
All right, guys. So we're gonna cut it, and we're gonna wait here for another hour. So see. All right, guys. So it's been about 3 to 4 hours at this point.
And
We've just been out here, and
nothing.
it's actually darker than it looks.
It's actually 11 p.m. right now. If you want to.
But yeah, it's weird. The sky's really weird right now.
Watch this video right here of finding a clown, and watch this video of.
All right, guys. So when we get into more parts, it's gonna get crazier and crazier.
Guys, we're gonna record 7 parts.
7 parts. Might be recording a lot today.
Yep, we are gonna record a lot today.
But guys, so we're gonna end.
Oh yeah, it's 7:10.
So guys,
So we're gonna record for 7 minutes. Interesting.
7. Yeah, we're gonna record about 9 minutes each video. But guys, so we're gonna end it off right here. Sorry.
So we're gonna see you in part 2.
We're gonna see you in part 2, and we're gonna record that right now. But we're gonna post this first.
Goodbye.